I've got the chipboard. We have 6x6. This is 8x8. We've also got this one, the 12x12, and we've also got this one, which is the A4. So if you're stuck for chipboard, we are doing it, we are selling it. You need to run along. In a minute, give me a chance to put it up. I'm going to go put it up now. Oh, I need to take pictures of this, don't I? So it's 6x6, 8x8, 12x12 and an A4. Okay? You can get it at the shop shortly. And what I might do is do them in a pack. So you will get one of each. And that way you've got good things for that to cut up, play around with. Okay? We've got the wadding, you know the pieces of wadding, 1 yard long by ½ a yard wide, big pieces of wadding for sale. Good morning everyone. Right, I'm going to share with you this little rose. Now, oh bloody hell, the name's just gone right out my head. Sorry, name's gone right out my head. But I wanted to share this little rose with you. Now, mine's not exactly perfect because I did one loop different, but they're really, really easy, and I would say about 18 inches long. Now, cut diagonally on one end, and that's the end you're going to start with, but they have to be roughly even. You can mark it out if you want. You go in about 1 inch like that from this end, from the shortest end, so about that, and you do want to come out about 1 inch. Go in 1 inch, you've no thread, you no need for any thread, come out about 1 inch, in, out, and shake it all about. Just keep doing that. You have to keep them roughly the same so that the folds here work. I'm just gauging mine, but you can mark it out so that you go in every inch and you come out every inch, and that way yours are going to be perfect. Personally myself, I do about 20 inches. So you've got that on, put the, see all the folds? They're not all perfect. Look, they should lay exactly the same. They're not, but it doesn't matter. Pop it to the end and take hold of this, the points, and thread that through the needle. Now you're going to need a needle that will take the fabric. And then what you do is you twist it, and I'm going to twist mine like that. Twist. Keep it loose. Twist. Until all of it's twisted, and then pull. Now I might need my pliers because I don't have such a grip like I would normally, and just pull it, twist, that's it, that's done. Cut that bit off, glue that bit in, glue the tail down. You can sort it all out afterwards. And then what you can do is just go in and a little bit of glue every now and again just to hold it together. It's chiffon, so it'll soak through. And right away, you've got yourself a little rose. Actually, that's not twisted as much as what it should have been. Right, so we'll do this again. So about 18 inches. Okay. Cut one end off in a diagonal, and that's the end you're going to start. And start with the shortest end there. An inch from that. What, you know, just continue doing that. Roughly the same from here to here. $20 inches. Do about 20 inches. That should be enough. Right. So you've got it like that. See, the shorter ones might not work as good. But push it to the end. Thread that needle. Oh, see, this is what I mean. Even I can't thread a damn needle. Just pull it in. And then you need, and let me just see if it's, twist it. I would help it along and twist it as well. Like that. See, you've got your rose. So I'm twisting it that way. So clockwise. Pull that through. Like that. Snip that knot bit off. And then you just glue that down. And then what you do is just here and there. Put a dab of glue in. Here and there will hold all of that in. And you've got yourself a gorgeous rose. So I don't think they're bad. That's actually quite good, that one. And that's how you do it. So I hope that's helpful. You're going to get really plush roses, but I'd use chiffon. Chiffon is far easier to use than ribbon. And then what you can do with them, let me just put my needle back because I know what I'm like for losing things, is find some leaves or something so we can do them up so you can see what they're like. And there's a couple there. That'll do. They don't have to be green. Your leaves can be any colour you want them to be. These are cut from doilies so we don't waste it. I think I'm just going to use that one for this. Oh, don't they look lovely? There you go, a couple of leaves on there, doesn't hurt. Like that. They're pretty. Of course you can colour them in. But yeah, quite pretty that. Right everyone, I just want to share a project with you that I did yesterday and I'm going to come back and show you how I did it. But I made this box. Now I did make mistakes. I have made them before but not for a long while. And it was a mistake when I made it in the first place, when I put the box together. I made this box first, the bottom one. And then I went to make the lid and forgot that this top section and these needed to be a couple of millimetres longer, one wider each, to fit over the box. But it's going to be one of those that you lift off. And I ended up making them both the same, and I'm thinking, oh, you stupid, stupid woman. So I made that out of it. Now, inside is totally rubbish because I didn't measure anything. It's not straight or anything like that. To be honest, it was about 3-4 o'clock in the morning when I did it. I couldn't be bothered. I've crinkled it. I didn't like that. But I thought if I rush it through and make it, then tomorrow when I show people how to do it, I can do the job properly. So I'm going to come back, put some little feet on it, put some little trimmings on and a little bling, and I'm going to come back and share with you how to do this box. So stand by, because it's a fab little box and you could make them any size you want.